Hi, this is Shay with Truxas Sales here today, looking at this 2015 Peterbilt 388 4-axle dump truck with 17-foot Boulder Lane Dump Body from Hall Lane Manufacturing. A nice Pete here with the dual exhaust, dual breathers, hydraulic tank, steel hydraulic tank right there on the side of the frame. We got the Hendrickson steerable lift axle on there. Peterbilt air track, rear ladder on this one, as well as the high lift tailgate, spreader chains, hitch plate. So definitely a good looking truck here. All aluminum rims on this one. We also did the upgraded front suspension with the Yokohama 315s. On there also gives it some more height as well. This one has the Cummins ISX 15 and 10-speed in it here. This one has a mechanical control package right there between the seats, lift axle switch, bed up indicator light, and additional PTO light here. So when we did the sleeper removal, as you can see, your interior insert right there with the window. This is Shay with Truxas Sales. Thank you for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truxassales for more information. Thank you.